Well, wait to hear this one. A Michigan woman pleading guilty to hiring a hitman to kill her husband, but the hitman that she was speaking to was actually an undercover police officer, and it was all caught on tape. Listen to this closely.
I don't want it to look like an actual motive, like a murder case.
How do you want me to do it? I mean, do you
Whatever's
have any,
easiest for you. If you can get him outside, that would be great.
Okay.
But I mean, if you absolutely can't, I'll understand. You know.
So you want me to I guess I'm not understanding you. So you don't want it done in the house then?
Because it would be messy in the house.
Yeah, well.
Ha ha ha. Oh, really? The police released that dash cam video. The woman thought she was talking to a hitman when, as I said, she was speaking to an undercover police officer. The police say that she's 21 years old. She's a New Jersey native. She wanted her husband dead because they'd been fighting, and it was easier than divorcing him. She says, really? Greg, who's filling in for Bill today, is also an attorney. I mean, she apparently tipped off somebody at work that she wanted her husband to be murdered. And that person, thank goodness, called the police, which is absolutely the right thing to have done. And the police set this whole thing up.
Yeah, at one point in time, I just read the transcript. The undercover cop says, so I'll just shoot him in the face. And she said, okay.
Okay.
You know, that's pretty darn incriminating. The only thing she could claim in her defense would be the legal doctrine of entrapment, that law enforcement induced her to do something that she otherwise would not do. That can be a complete legal defense depending upon the jurisdiction.
But in this case, she has the friend who will be the witness, I would assume, who will say, no, she told me at work that she specifically wanted to hire a hitman, and that's why I called the police. Unbelievable how cold and calculated. She says, well, you know, I don't want the judgment of my family. If I get divorced, it'll be easier this way. I mean, she's not too bright.
And then she
for
laughs
one thing.
about it. She laughs about it.
And just complete. How much can you get for something like this?
Life.
Life.
Oh, yeah.
Unbelievable.
All right.